These decrees come from the Ascended Masters. They were written by El Morya. They are in the tradition of the Guru giving to the Chela a mantra. The mantra is chosen very specially for the Chela. In this case, the mantra that is given accesses and keys the light of the causal body of the Master. It is like a gift of the formula of his plane of first cause that he makes available by the worded release. When you then decide to give this decree, that particular mantra or formula, because the Master is present in the decree or in the mantra, accesses from your causal body the exact vibrations of light which you need most to complete your wholeness and your manifestation of the light. So the same mantra becomes unique for each one of us, and each one of us, by our love, our determination, our understanding, the clarity of our chakras, gets a different kind of an experience from this, yet all receive transmutation by the violet flame. This is what is so wonderful about the path of the Ascended Masters, because they have mastered and specialized on a certain ray and path. They have spent hundreds of thousands of years on that. It's like going to a world expert if you want to study music or violin or science or technology or space technology or whatever. You go to the Master whose attainment you desire to realize. You draw it forth from your causal body. He multiplies it by his, because he has ascended to the Father. Now you have the key to the statement of Jesus. He that believeth on me, he who believes in the light of the I am that I am, where I am. The works that I do shall he do also, and greater works than these shall he do, because I go unto my Father. Because the Master is ascended, he multiplies the power of your causal body. The two of you together then manifest through your plane of cause, your vehicles, an advancement, a greater action than was originally realized by that Master when he was in embodiment. The Masters want us to exceed their attainment. They want to give us all that we can take of their momentum. We need their momentum. We need discipleship as the discipline of our harmony and our energies here below. For the protection of your chakras, you need to give daily the tube of light.